limitedresources.us. This is a demonstration of how to use the reset function, the reset button. The reset button is the third button from the top, so you have 1, 2, 3, and what that reset button does is when the timer is running, we want to stop the timer. And instead of having to unplug the machine from the wall, we can simply do it from the board. So what we do is here's the timer, and let's add some time. Add maybe 2 pulses to it, so we have 90 minutes. Sorry, 9 minutes. And what we do, we come over and we press the reset button. And there we have it. It has reset the clock to 00 and no more time on the timer. That is limitedresources.us. Our phone number is 647-931-1829.